Ebunwana, yeah, Ebunwana is one of the communities in Edda local government. Edda local government, formerly known as Africa local government. So Ebunwana is located in Edda local government of Ebonyostate. Yeah.
Thank you, Edda Sifimadu to Yomiaya. Today is Izara Efa 8th grade installation in Ebunwana. Ebunwana consists of sub-community Uke-Age, Amoji, Ameke, Amemo, and Echara. And these sub-communities are expected to dress up and rally around the villages early in the morning before they go home, dress up and appear at the civic center for the proper ceremony and declaration of their new age group name.
So this very age grade now, what their responsibility or their work is to make sure that the community is being developed. They will bring their wisdom, their money, their resources, their knowledge to make sure that every part of the community will be developed. That is just the objective or the purpose of inaugurating the new age grade.
Okay. Those sub-communities are regarded as Ogo, Ogo-Kenko, Oga-Moji, Oga-Meke, Amemo, and Echara. These Ogos are expected to dress differently for proper identification and to separate different Ogo from the other.
Good afternoon, sir. Please, may we know you?
My name is Honorable Igboculture Victor.
Okay, please, what's going on here? Why is everybody gathered, all wear dress, celebrating? What's happening?
Today is a very special day for a new age grade that is about to inaugurate.
Okay, so when a new age grade is about to be inaugurated, people gather and celebrate like this.
Yes.
Can you tell us a brief, history? Like, tell people that don't know what age grade have to entail. Just explain to them about it.
Yes, age grade is just like a group of people that is being inaugurated or being inducted to the community for community development. So
congratulations on your new age grade inauguration. Happy celebration.
Thank you.
This age grade consists of people from the same age bracket and are expected to take full responsibility in communal duties. Enjoy the rest of the video, like, share, and subscribe.
Jokwa sir, good afternoon. Please, may we know you?
My name is Igboamaka.
Okay, so what's happening here?
Yeah, what is happening here is inauguration of a new age grade into the age grade system of the community. You know, Ebunwana as a community is built on a communal life, and we believe in what we call igboamaka. We believe in the strength of the multitude, and each generation is being integrated into this age grade system. You know, it's passed on, it has been passed on from generations to generations, you know. So just like yesterday, the eldest age grade in the community retired traditionally. So today, a new age grade is being inaugurated to replace them.